What if I told you that replacing your EV's battery could cost as little as a few thousand or as much as 20 grand? That's a big gap. Today, we're digging into exactly why and how you can make smart decisions. Why it's important. The battery is the most expensive part of an EV. Understanding replacement cost helps with long-term budgeting and resale value. Many people worrying about battery degradation, but with the right info, you can make confident decisions. What to consider? Battery capacity kWh, larger packs cost more to replace. Vehicle make and model, some EVs are cheaper to service than others. Warranty. Most EVs cover batteries for 8 to 10 years or approximately 100,000 miles. Labor costs. Installation isn't free. Expect $1,000, $3,000 in labor for many vehicles. Future price trends. Sell prices are projected to drop as technology improves. How to use properly. Keep your state of charge between 20% and 80% to reduce stress on the battery. Avoid frequent fast charging when not necessary. It can speed up degradation. Try to store or park your EV out of extreme heat or cold. Maintenance and care. Regularly monitor battery health via your car's system or app. Use scheduled charging overnight rather than always topping off. Stay on top of software updates since some battery performance improvements come via firmware. Common mistakes to avoid. Ignoring early signs of degradation like reduced range or slower charging. Letting the battery drop to 0% or charge to 100% too often. Skipping warranty checks. Some replacements might still fall under coverage. Assuming all battery replacements cost the same, your model matters a lot. Step-by-step guide to replacing an EV battery. 1. Diagnose. Confirm via a qualified technician that the battery is failing. 2. Get quotes. Reach out to your dealership, third-party specialists, or refurbishers. 3. Order the battery, whether it's a new OEM pack or refurbished modules. 4. Schedule the replacement. Book labor. Make sure shop has experience. 5. Install. The mechanic removes the old pack, installs the new one, reconnects wiring, tests. 6. Post-check. Run diagnostics, charge to a healthy level, monitor performance. Real-life experiment. Example. Let's look at a Tesla Model 3. Long-range battery replacement can cost $14,000, $16,000 plus labor based on recent estimates. For a Chevy Bolt, smaller packs lead to lower replacement costs till the $6,000 at $8,500. These numbers show how much variance there is depending on model, battery size, and whether you go OEM or refurbished. Quick tips: check your battery warranty before buying a used EV. That coverage can be a huge value. Ask about refurbished or module-level replacements, sometimes cheaper than full packs. Maintain good charging habits. 20 to 80% rule to prolong battery life. Keep your receipts, service records useful for resale or warranty claims. Shop around. Don't settle for the first replacement quote.